Sourdough zucchini bread. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, super moist zucchini bread using sourdough starter. It's so freaking good. Hi, I'm Sune and I'm a food geek. Today I'm starting a new series called the Discard series. It's for all the recipes that you can make using sourdough discard. Sourdough starter will not only add to the depth of flavor, but also prevent your baked goods from drying out too fast. Today's recipe is a zucchini bread, which is a variation on a banana bread using both banana and freshly grated zucchini. Zucchinis are a type of squash and they have their origin in Middle America, but have since then spread to all over the world. It looks a lot like a cucumber, but unlike the cucumber, the zucchini is seldom eaten raw, but usually prepared in some way. I love them grilled. If you're new to this channel, I bake a lot of sourdough bread and I make delicious food from all over the world. My goal is to show you how to get the most out of every ingredient, and I want to teach you how to do that in simple and understandable steps. So join me by subscribing and ringing the bell so you won't miss any future videos. While being called a bread, the zucchini bread is actually a cake. In my recipe, I use bananas for both sweetening and texture, but it's possible to make it without banana if you want that. Add another egg instead of the banana and you're good to go. I use dark brown sugar in mine, the very dark and moist kind. It just adds to the complexity of flavor. For leavening, I'm using baking soda, which works in conjunction with the acid in the sourdough starter. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a Patreon. You can also buy some merch or use the links in the description for tools and ingredients. Thank you. Those were the words. This is the recipe. The written recipe, the ingredients, and the amounts are linked in the description and the card above. Start by turning your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit. To the bowl of your stand mixer, add 100 grams of very ripe banana, that's about one small one, 225 grams or 1 1/4 cups packed brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Mix it using the paddle attachment until it's very well combined. Then add the eggs one at a time and mix in between. Mix for a while to incorporate some air into the mixture. Then add 100 grams of sourdough discard. Mix until it's incorporated. Then put 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. Mix until it's combined. Add half of the spiced flour to the mixer and mix until just combined. Then add the other half and mix again until just combined. Add 60 grams or 1/4 cup of milk. And then add 125 grams or half a cup of neutral flavored oil. And then just mix it through. Take the bowl off the stand mixer. Add 225 grams or 2 cups of coarsely grated zucchini on top. Fold it gently into the batter using a spatula. Once it's folded in, butter or spray a medium Pullman pan. Add all of the dough to the pan. Put it in the oven on a wire rack set to the middle position. Let it bake for about 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. I'm using a small metal skewer. Then put the pan on a wire rack to cool for 15 minutes. Then you can take out the bread and let it cool completely on the wire rack. And I suggest eating it with some wonderful butter. Are you ready for some gorgeous pictures of this bread? That bread is an absolute treat. Smear on some delicious butter and you're good to go. The bread stays good and moist for several days if you keep it in a Ziploc bag or covered tightly in tin foil. I hope you learned something today. See you next time.